What happens when you give the same coding prompt to two different AI tools and ask them to build a playable Tetris game? Today we're putting ChatGPT and Google Gemini head to head. Same prompt, same requirements. Now the above are the requirements. Alright, let's start with ChatGPT. So let's insert the prompt. So the prompt is build a simple playable Tetris game in JavaScript and HTML. Use blue and white colors to match WAMV TECH branding. Add a title at the top that says WAMV TECH Tetris. Make sure the game runs in the browser window. Update the Tetris game code to include a score counter and speed levels that increase as the player clears more lines. Keep the same WAMV TECH color theme. Alright, under ChatGPT, my first impression is that I had to execute the code in ChatGPT itself, the web version, since it's the one that I use. So the title was placed correctly. As you see, it's WAMV TECH Tetris game that appears at the top. Now we have the blue and white colors applied, but they're not that accurate. Maybe because my browser theme is dark. Our keys worked very well as expected. Now heading over to score and speed. Now watch this part carefully. Every time a line was cleared, the score increases. Now here is what ChatGPT did well. I had to run this game, but I didn't get any errors, and it was clean, readable code. Easy to customize colors or speed, beginner friendly structure. So that's the case of ChatGPT. So let's dive into Google Gemini. I'm gonna paste in the same prompt and let's see the results. Now Google Gemini generated the code as you see I demonstrated, and immediately you notice code execution done externally. I tried to run the code in Google Gemini, but it failed to execute because it has suggested me to use a notepad, but I didn't have notepad, so I used this Microsoft text something. So I had to copy the code and paste it, and I saved it as .html. And after I had to run the game, so the game ran smoothly as you see, no errors, no what. Since the Gemini case I used a different browser. It was a light browser and it had light, it wasn't a dark theme, so the colors were perfect. They're kinda similar, whereby the controls worked, the scores worked. It seems similar. Now who wins the Tetris challenge? Let me know in the comments below. According to me, ChatGPT takes the win. And one of the reasons why I would choose ChatGPT is because of the other feature where I can execute the code live instead of saving the code externally and running it externally. And the reason why I chose ChatGPT is not because Gemini is bad. Gemini is actually good, but in this case, to be real, I would go with ChatGPT because it understands prompts better and delivers complete features. I want to hear thoughts from you. Which AI will win future coding battles? Is it Gemini or ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments. That has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.